In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Amazon Music plan. By the end, you'll know exactly whether you're on the free tier, Amazon Music Prime, or Amazon Music Unlimited, and where to find your billing and renewal details. Let's start with the simplest and most reliable way: checking directly inside Amazon Music. Open the Amazon Music app on your phone or tablet, or head to the web player on your computer. Once you're in, look for your profile icon in the top right corner. Tap that, then go to Settings, and choose Account and Settings. From there, select Subscriptions. This page clearly displays your current plan, such as Unlimited, Prime, or Free. It also shows your billing date and any renewal information, like whether it renews monthly or annually. If you see details like a trial end date or a special discount, they'll appear here as well. If something doesn't look right, double-check that you're signed in with the correct Amazon account, since different profiles can have different subscriptions. If you prefer using the main Amazon website, you can confirm your plan there too. Sign in on Amazon's homepage, then go to Account, followed by Memberships and Subscriptions. Look for Amazon Music in the list. This view highlights your active plan and payment details, including the next charge date. It's a handy place to confirm which card is being used and whether the membership is set to auto-renew. Now, here's how to quickly recognize what plan you're on just by how the service behaves. If you're on Amazon Music Free, you'll hear ads and have limited control over playback, like more restrictions on skipping tracks. If you're using Amazon Music Prime, it's included with your Prime membership, and many playlists and stations play in shuffle mode with some limits on choosing specific songs. If you have Amazon Music Unlimited, you get full access to the complete catalog, no ads, and the ability to download music for offline listening. Downloads and ad-free playback are strong indicators that you're on Unlimited. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If the subscriptions page mentions included with Prime, that means you're on Amazon Music Prime. If you see Unlimited next to your plan name, that's the premium tier. And if you're seeing ads or frequent playback limits, you're likely on the free tier. When in doubt, revisit the subscriptions section in Amazon Music or the memberships and subscriptions area on the Amazon website for the definitive answer.